What's up guys, Harsh here, back in another video, and today I have a dual unboxing for you. So today I am unboxing the Malaysian Army Land Rover Defender 110. It is from Mini GT, of course. As you can see, this huge logo on the front of the box, and also the another Land Rover Defender from Mini GT as well, and it is the EMS special. I think it is written over here, as you can see. So it is the EMS exclusive style. There it is, the logo as well, and the full name of it is written on this box, which I cannot pronounce it except for the country name, which is Indonesia. So I'm guessing this is some Indonesian company or something like that, but I'm not sure. But all that information is available on the internet. But what's not available on the internet is the quality of this model. So let's start unboxing them and see how they look. So first I will start with the Malaysian Army one, because I thought this paint job on the car looks very nice, so I bought this one even though I'm not Indonesian. So here is the car, pretty nicely packed, no chance of damage in the shipping, so let's just keep that aside. And here it is with the spare tire on the hood of the car. Looks pretty nice and heavy, have free moving wheels. Now in the meantime, let's also unbox the other one. So it is in all black paint job with some logos on the hood and both the doors on the sides, and a very filled up utility rack on the top. So now let's take a closer look at these two. So both are in the 1:64 scale. So this is another popular scale that collectors collect, and this is also the scale in which Hot Wheels produces their cars, or almost the same. So it is a closer look at the vehicle itself. As you can see, we have the army logos at the front of the car, and also the grille is also very nicely detailed, along with the headlights and the indicator lights as well. The tire treads are also pretty well detailed on both the spare tire and the actual tire that is on the car, as you can see, all the way around. And as I mentioned before, it is a free moving wheel, so you can play it as a toy, but it is not suitable for that. It is mainly for collection purposes only. And then at the back we have some more logos along with a hook to mount something, I don't know what. And the mirrors are rubberized, so you can see they are very flexible, so no chance of accidentally breaking them if they are a solid plastic part. And they do have some sort of silver coating on them to represent a mirror, but it is not actually reflective. It is just a simple silver painted plastic piece, but good effort from the TSM guys. And the interior also looks very nice. We have a space at the back right here and some seating arrangements on behind both the doors, and steering wheel and the dash is also pretty nicely detailed, and you can see the wipers are also there on the windshield, which is I think painted, I guess. Then at the bottom we have the Mini GT logo and Made in China sign. It is normal with Mini GT, either they have this metallic black base or a matte finish one. Here we have some steps for the fellows to get on board this amazing vehicle, and that is pretty much about it. So let me take a closer look at the front itself, because I think it is very nicely detailed indeed. So you can also see how detailed it is, and I have also noticed there is a winch as well on the front. Now let's take a look at the EMS exclusive car. So here it is in all black and very similar to the Malaysian Army one. It has a front grille without the special bumpers that this one has. So this has a utility bumper for connecting accessories and whatnot, as you can see, and this one has a more simpler bumper, just a orange and red painted, oh sorry, yellow. What is this color? This is a yellow, I think, yellow and red painted one. Same with the headlights, they are almost identical to each other, and the logo is pretty nicely detailed. You can distinguish the letters and make out a sentence out of this. So I don't think the camera is able to pick, but to the naked eye it is readable if you have very strong eyes. And we have the same logo at the left and right side here, and here the spare tire is at the back, and nicely detailed, almost as similar as the main wheels as well, which are also freely movable, as you can see, on both the sides. Then we have the interior, which is I think almost similar to the Malaysian Army one, I think. So pretty nicely detailed interior. At the top we have floodlights, totaling 4, which are nicely colored with the grills also. Then at the top we have our main attraction, I would say. It is the utility rack or whatever it is called. So we have 3 utility boxes, toolbox I think, and some fuel tanks on the top, which makes it look like it's going for a long journey. So pretty nicely detailed car, I should say, and you can just see how big my thumb is next to the car. So I'm placing it just above the car, and as you can see it is pretty tiny indeed, and to squeeze this many details in this form factor is pretty nice. So there it is guys, the Land Rover Defender, from one from Malaysian Army and one from Indonesia. So thanks for watching guys, and if you have any questions regarding this video you can comment down below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. But if I don't answer them, don't worry, I may be addressing it in the next video. So stay tuned guys for next videos. I will be doing more of these videos as well. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all later.